Hello children, how are you all? Hope everybody is fine. Okay, and keep yourself safe at your home, everybody, because nowadays the situation is not proper outside. Yes. So today I'll start geography chapter 1. The name of the chapter is India, size and location. Okay. So location, we will take first India's location. Okay. India is of ancient civilization and we have been here for a while now, isn't it? So, but if we see our last 5 decades, our development and programs or progress is somewhat at very different level. Yes, in agriculture, technology, and many other fields, India had developed a lot. Okay, at every field, India had contributed to world history before also and now also, isn't it? And India is a very vast country. In fact, India is the seventh largest country. Okay, if we see India's location according to the world, then India is located in the northern hemisphere and its latitude and longitude is very important. Okay, I hope everybody know the concept of latitude and longitude. You had already learned it, isn't it? That is, if we see that our Google and all is working because of this latitude and longitude only. Okay, so the exact location of anything you will get from latitude and longitude, like a scale or position of something, isn't it? So the latitude of India is 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minutes north. Okay, and longitude is 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. So in this whole area we will get India only. Okay, now Tropic of Cancer. So Tropic of Cancer is the line which passes through the middle of India and it divides India into two equal parts. Okay, Tropic of Cancer is a very important question for map also, children, so take care of this. Okay, Tropic of Cancer, important question for the map. Now Andaman and Nicobar Island, okay, that is in Bay of Bengal, you know it. It is in our southeast and Lakshadweep Island is at our southwest, that is Arabian Sea. Okay, and one of our southernmost point of Indian, that is Indira Point. Okay, in 2004 during tsunami this point got submerged under seawater. So I hope till here everybody clear. Yes, so now comes size. Okay, total land mass of India is 3.28 million square kilometer and our total geographical area in the world is 2.4%. So this percentage is not less. Okay, actually this is very substantial, we can say, and that is the thing that India is the seventh largest country in the world. Yes, we have everything. Okay children, that means we have oceans, we have mountains, land, plateaus, everything. So our land boundary, it is somewhere around 15,200 kilometer, our boundary. Okay, and almost half of this we will get our length of coastline, that is 7,516.6 kilometer. Okay, that is our land boundary is about 15,200 kilometer and just half, that is almost half only, we can say length of the coastline is 7,516.6 kilometer. Okay, so now what is coastline? I hope everybody know coastline means जो समुद्र के आसपास वाली line. Okay, that is your coastline. Okay, in the map in your book next page, that is in page number 3, you can see in the map also. Okay, that you can see there Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Okay, so from these states Tropic of Cancer is passing through. See in the map you can see here. Yes, from here, that is Gujarat, it is starting, then Rajasthan, MP, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura, it is passing through up to Mizoram. Here Tropic of Cancer. So this line I am talking about. Okay, this is your Tropic of Cancer. Okay, so from these states Tropic of Cancer is passing through. Okay, now let's talk about northwest, north and northeast. Here we get Youngfold Mountains, which are these mountains. Okay, that is we can say these mountains are Himalayas. Clear? That is northwest, north and northeast. Here all we get our mountains and we can say it as Himalayas. And when we move to south, then about 22 degree north and 22 degree northwest, what happened? That is your equator. Okay, that is when you move to south, okay, that is then about 22 degree north, it is equator. Okay, 22 degree north to equator where India's part is there. Okay, that is India का part बनता है. Okay, that equator part from there. Clear? Now when we move downwards, नीचे की तरफ जब जाओगे, India starts becoming taper. Okay, India जो है वो taper होने लगता है. Taper means it starts protruding into something. And what is that something? That something is that very dear Indian Ocean. Okay, so our conical structure on the tip of India, isn't it? And this conical structure divide India from two more things, that is in one side Arabian Sea in the west and on the other side Bay of Bengal in the east, and just below the tip is Indian Ocean. Okay, now next topic is Indian Standard Time. Here time difference is between Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Here for every 1 degree 4-minute gap is there. That is in geography, whenever you are studying geography या geography के हिसाब से location is correlated with time. Always remember this. Okay, that location is correlated with time. So we get 4 minutes of lag in 1 degree. 4 minutes of lag in 1 degree. Now in India, if calculated, then what happened, that the location between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh, okay, then the difference according to which is 2 hours lag should be there. That difference, if we calculate it, okay, if we calculate the difference, it should be 2 hours lag. It should be there. So in precise, it must be of 116 minutes. But the time is same only in Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh also. ये सब difference होने के बाद भी दोनों जगह का जो time है वो same ही होगा. कैसे? This is because we have come up with a solution, and the solution is standard meridian of India. Okay, that is at the center of India one line was drawn, and that line we call it as standard meridian of India. India के map में, okay, you can see it. Then and in that line you can see Mirzapur is coming, which is at UP. Okay, उसी line में मिर्ज़ापुर आता है जो कि UP में है, and it is exactly at 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude. वो कहाँ पे है? 82 degree 30 minutes east longitude. That we are taking it, उस point को we are taking it as standard time for the entire country. Okay, because from here everything is equal. Okay, so this time, that is here the time which is showing is called we as Indian Standard Time. Okay, this same time will be in UP, this same time will be in Kerala also, in Bengal also, everywhere in India. Yes, because we had created the standard time. Okay, now the next concept is day and night. So when we move from south to north, then we see some differences in the duration of day and night. Okay, so here one question is there, that the duration of the difference of day and night is not so felt by Kanyakumari, but as it moves to north it feels. Why? Okay, that is the duration of the difference of day and night is not so felt by Kanyakumari, but it is that is when we move to north direction it feels. Why? And this is because of equator. Okay, because of equator. As you will go nearer to the equator, the differences will be less, and vice versa. That is, if you go far to the equator, अगर आप distance बनाते हो equator के साथ, the differences will be more. Okay, so this is the concept of day and night. Okay, children. So this is all for this session. Next topic I will continue in the next video. Thank you so much. God bless you all.